Hello guys, so a quick video in between my appointments for today, and for today's grammar minute I want to address the TH sound because many people come across extremely unnatural in their approach to the sound in English, especially when reading words they do not recognize, and then also just when learning to speak the language altogether. So I will give you 2 tips which will help you master your approach to the TH sound every single time. So you need to just remember that the TH sound basically can be voiced or it can be unvoiced, right? So by unvoiced, I mean you only produce a sound with your voice and there is no air, right? So these are also usually your meaning words like think, thank, three, thought, right? So these are words that mean something. And then you get your voiced iteration, which is usually grammar words. These are usually grammar words. And when you produce the sound, you use your voice and you feel a vibration in your throat, right? So these are obviously, as I mentioned, grammar words like the, this, that, they, them, etc., right? So basically, you don't just use these randomly, right? You don't use them randomly. You learn them in word groups. And the more you practice your English, the more you will have opportunity to apply this. And then just try to remember that basic rule and you will never fail. Follow me for more tips.